Imagine being called too ugly to live. Imagine the world mocking you, turning your face into a global joke and flooding the internet with memes. For most people, this would break their spirit, but not for Lizzie Velásquez. Lizzie was labeled the world's ugliest woman. People bullied her mercilessly, some even suggesting she should end her own life, but they didn't know the fire within her. Instead of breaking, Lizzie fought back. She graduated from college, authored 3 powerful books, and became one of the most inspiring motivational speakers in the world. Lizzie didn't just survive, she thrived, proving that true beauty lies in resilience and courage. Now, let's go back centuries to the Islamic Golden Age, to the story of Al-Jahiz. His appearance was mocked so harshly that poets wrote verses about his ugliness. One poem cruelly stated, "If a pig were disfigured again, it would still be less ugly than Al-Jahiz." One day, a woman brought him to a jeweler, demanding a statue of the devil. When the jeweler hesitated, saying he didn't know what the devil looked like, she pointed at Al-Jahiz and said, "Make it look like him." But did this humiliation stop him? Al-Jahiz became one of the greatest scholars in Islamic history, a genius whose works on literature, science, and theology are still celebrated today. He turned ridicule into fuel, building a legacy so vast that his appearance became irrelevant. Lizzie and Al-Jahiz teach us one thing: greatness is not defined by how the world sees you. It's defined by how you rise above it. So what's your excuse? What's holding you back? If they could rise above the cruelty of the world and carve their names into history, so can you. The world doesn't define us. We define the world. It's time to stop doubting yourself and start rewriting your destiny. Remember, we create the times. The times do not create us.